Hey everybody, hey NailTubers. Today's is going to be a very easy set, and you know that the colors come out of the Model 1 Secret Garden collection. Today's is going to be pink. It's more like a mauve. Then I'll be using this Canny Gel Cream by Benelisa. It's color number 1529. So soft and pretty, isn't it? I'll be using this Chrome Slash Laser Dust for a finish on one of the nails. And I have this floral nail foil, which I'm really enjoying using. The foils are coming out so pretty. And to polish on my Canny Gel Cream, I'll be using my Macart size 6 flat tip gel brush. So let's get started. This set will be as simple as 3 of the nails will be this color out of the Model 1 Secret Garden collection. And out of the 3 that are this color, one will get the laser dust, another nail will be foiled, and one nail will be out of that Canny Gel Cream by Benelisa. I enjoyed doing this set because it was very easy to do, yet came out looking so pretty and dainty. And since it was easy to do, editing was less of a hassle, which gave me so much relief for a change, because it really means a lot to me to put out content for you and see that people are truly enjoying it. Which brings me to say, I appreciate all of you who have been watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I've been so motivated by your comments and support. And because of you being here, I'm working diligently behind the scenes through all the technical issues to offer you content. So here, while the nails that are polished are curing for 60 seconds, I'll be going in with this XKJ Star Glue. You want to polish it on and then wait for it to become transparent before applying your foil. This powder is supposed to work 2 different ways. You can put your color on and then apply the powder, and it's a laser finish, which you'll see shortly. The other way is to apply your glossy top coat, and I think you rub it on after the glossy, and it's supposed to offer a chrome finish, which I haven't figured out yet. It hasn't worked for me, but soon I will, and I'll be doing some type of a chrome nail. I chose this color of the Canny Gel Cream by Benelisa because it matches the flowers in the nail foil perfectly. Everything looks so good on these long stiletto display nails, don't they? Can't you tell just by the way that I'm polishing that I'm happy to have them? Now that the glue has become transparent, it is time to apply the foil. I'm moving that light colored nail because it was always intended for the foil nail to be in the middle. I showed in my last video how well this glue works with the foil. It really doesn't take much effort at all. You'll see me go in with my silicone tool, but the only reason for it is to make absolutely certain that I'm getting the foil on to the edge. And a totally clean peel off. So all of the nails will get a glossy finish, except, you know me and my signature move, this nail is getting a matte finish. Oh, and I didn't miss the foil nail this time. I'm keeping this set simple and sweet, but just adding a couple of stones just to dress up that matte nail. And that's it for this set, guys. So soft and feminine, enjoying the warm breeze on a summer day while walking through a spring garden. Thank you so much for being here. Oh, and remember, this was part 3 of my iSnap series, and there's 2 more to come. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. And always leave a comment so that I know that you've been here. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video.